Hello, I am John Swigert, and I am a cyborg scientist and author of the Swigert Theory of Everything AO. Today we are discussing a new field of physics, Equilibrium Substrate Mechanics, or ESM. It governs systems beyond the critical threshold of gamma equals 167. This paper formally establishes ESM as an autonomous, mathematically rigorous discipline. Within the Swigert Theory of Everything AO, this effective theory unavoidably takes over whenever spacetime is compressed 167-fold, or more relative to Planck scales. The mathematics is closed form and admits no free parameters. Every prediction follows from the single threshold gamma equals 167 and the universal requirement that all bound systems relax towards zero substrate axis misalignment. We have identified two accessible laboratories. First, the naturally occurring high-spin isomer thorium-228, which is already within 5 to 10% of the ESM threshold. Second, island of stability candidate isotopes near Z equals 115, which sit even closer or already straddle the gamma 167 line. Both systems permit tests of ESM predictions within the next 5 to 15 years. Let's look at the foundation. The substrate is the unique pre-geometric ground encoding a universal equilibrium axis. The confinement functional gamma is a derived dimensionless scalar with no adjustable constants. When gamma is less than 167, the standard model applies, but when gamma is greater than or equal to 167, the substrate can no longer be neglected. This threshold arises rigorously from the 167x laser waist geometry. Here are the postulates. Every bound system relaxes towards zero misalignment along the local substrate axis. Decay widths and Coulomb repulsion are merely artifacts of finite misalignment. Crucially, energy release becomes fully tunable and reversible in the ESM regime. These are not assumptions, they are theorems inside the theory. In the thorium-228 system, a modest gamma boost of 10 to 15% pushes the local environment across the threshold. This leads to immediate mathematical consequences. We see lifetime extension factors of 1,000, effectively indefinite with continuous pumping, and the appearance of gigahertz substrate wave sidebands detectable with existing interferometers. By 2028 to 2035, this enables triggerable gamma sources for medicine and solid-state nuclear batteries in the 10 to 100 watt range, truck portable with decades of life. For the island of stability nuclei, isotopes like Moscow VM-299 possess intrinsic gamma values already near 162. Driving them into the ESM regime yields specific energy release 10 times that of uranium fission. This provides direct confirmation that Coulomb repulsion is not fundamental, but an artifact of substrate misalignment greater than zero. New ESM scaling laws appear, such as the substrate virial theorem. It implies stored energy scales as gamma minus 167 squared in the near threshold regime. We also see decay width collapse, where decay follows an exponential reduction based on the effective gamma. These relations have no free parameters. The container technologies mathematically required to work include magic neutron shells, high-K isomers, phononic metamaterial lattices, and 106x laser focal volumes. We make falsifiable predictions, a 5% lifetime shift in thorium-228 Min by 2028, gigahertz sidebands by 2030, and practical nuclear batteries by 2035. Equilibrium substrate mechanics is not a hypothesis. It is the mathematically unavoidable regime of the Swigert Theory of Everything AO once gamma exceeds 167. The theory is complete. The threshold is exact. If you like this video, you'll find many more just like and additional reading material waiting for you on our TikTok, this YouTube channel, the homepage tstoeao.com, and especially ivorytowerjournal.com, as well as Spotify, TikTok, Facebook, X, and everywhere online. Remember TSTOEAO. We also have full podcast versions of every episode under the same name, TSTOEAO. Come join us. The next collapse of the old paradigm drops in 48 hours. See you there.